How to create a Google form on iPhone. Need to create a Google form quickly using just your iPhone? Don't worry. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to do it step by step. Let's get started. First, open your preferred browser. It can be Safari or Chrome. Then head over to forms.google.com. Make sure you're signed in with your Google account. If not, tap the profile icon and log in. Once you're logged in, tap the big blank form template to start creating your form from scratch. Here, you can give your form a title by tapping where it says Untitled Form. Add a description if you like. To add your first question, just tap where it says Untitled Question. Select the question type by tapping the drop down on the right. You can choose from multiple choice, short answers, checkboxes, and more. To add more questions, tap the plus icon at the bottom right. Repeat the same steps to fill out your form. Want to make a question required? Just toggle the required switch at the bottom. To change the form settings, tap the three dots at the top right and select settings. Here, you can enable response collection or limit submissions. When you're happy with your form, tap the icon to preview it. To share your form, tap the send button, that's the paper airplane icon. You can share via link, email, or even WhatsApp. And that's it. You've successfully created a Google form using your iPhone. Pretty easy, right? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech tutorials like this.